Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we are looking at a breakthrough in AI video editing called ViFeEdit. Usually, teaching an AI to edit videos requires thousands of hours of video data, which is incredibly expensive and difficult to collect. The researchers behind this paper noticed that while AI is great at editing images, video editing is much harder because the changes have to stay consistent from frame to frame. They asked a brilliant question. Can a video AI be effectively tuned using only 2D images? This would eliminate the need for massive video datasets that can take thousands of GPU days to process. Their solution is a framework that allows a video model to learn new styles and objects without ever seeing a single training video. By focusing on how objects look in static images, the system can learn to apply those same changes to moving pictures. This makes the process much more efficient and accessible for the average user. To make this work, the researchers had to decouple the parts of the AI that handle space from the parts that handle time. This means the AI can learn what a new object looks like from a photo while its pre-existing video knowledge keeps everything moving smoothly. This separation is the key to preventing the video from becoming a blurry mess during the editing process. In this diagram, you can see how they added special 2D spatial attention blocks to the existing video model. These blocks act like a set of filters that tell the AI exactly how to modify the visual content based on a reference image. The original video structure remains untouched, which preserves the natural motion of the scene. One of the coolest applications is consistent style transfer, where an entire video is turned into a 3D cartoon or a hand-drawn animation. Because the model is so efficient, it only needs about 100 to 250 pairs of images to learn a completely new artistic style. This allows for high-quality stylization that doesn't flicker or change color randomly between frames. Looking at these results, the system can handle fine-grained tasks like replacing a cat with a different animal or adding a giant inflatable flamingo to a scene. It can even remove objects entirely or change the color of a person's clothing while they move through the frame. The AI handles both rigid objects like cars and non-rigid objects like animals with impressive accuracy. When compared to other methods, this approach manages to keep the background stable while making significant changes to the main subjects. Other tools often struggle with flickering, where the colors or shapes shift awkwardly from one second to the next. ViFeEdit maintains the structural integrity of the video while still achieving a complete visual transformation. In technical tests, this method outperformed many existing baselines across tasks like object removal and color alteration. It achieves high-fidelity results that look professional without the massive computational bill usually associated with video training. This was proven true even when the AI was challenged with complex motions and detailed backgrounds. The researchers also tested a multitask version where one single AI could handle several different types of edits at the same time. This proves the system is scalable and doesn't just work for one specific trick or style. It suggests that a single model could eventually become a universal video editor. To recap, ViFeEdit is a game changer because it allows high-quality video editing to be trained using just a few photos. It effectively separates the what of the image from the when of the video to keep everything looking natural. This means consistent motion and background preservation are now possible without expensive video training data. In the future, this could mean that anyone can create professional-grade video effects without needing a massive server farm. It opens the door for creators to customize their videos with just a few clicks and a handful of reference images. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and stay tuned for more amazing tech breakdowns.